We created this kit for those who are interested in the Middle Ages. This roomy pouch is made of leather and can be drawn closed with a leather cord. It can also be fastened shut with a clasp to protect the contents while the pouch is on your belt. If you use the adjustable leather strap provided, you can also wear it over your shoulder. The mouth of the pouch allows you to access the contents of the kit without having to remove anything. This is especially convenient during windy, rainy or snowy weather. In this kit, you'll find a bundle of twine for preparing dry kindling, a tinderbox made of tin with 30 pieces of charcloth tinder carefully placed inside. One piece ought to be enough for you to make a fire, and later on you can use the box or any natural cotton or linen fabric to make more tinder over a fire. There are 3 pieces of flint. When you strike the flint with the steel striker, sparks will be produced. These sparks will fall onto the tinder, which will then begin to smoulder. There's a 3-inch long forged steel striker on the leather strap. This kit is the most capacious. If necessary, you can fill it with extra tinder, kindling and flint, or a second steel striker. This kit will undoubtedly please anyone who likes to sit by the fireplace surrounded by family and friends. Any fire made in the hearth at home ought to be a real primitive fire using sparks produced in the old way.